I'm going to dye my hair with henna colouring. Super excited to use it, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So it came with this little information sheet here, which tells you roughly the colours and doing a strand test. So I went for the Caca Brun. I think that's how you say it. Caca Brun. Or Brun. Brun. So this is for a dark chocolatey colour. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this, I would recommend wearing an old jumper or t-shirt. After around 3 to 5 minutes of sitting on top of the pot. So the henna should be a sort of smooth consistency. So I'm going for the second layer of hair now. Okay guys, the henna's all over my hair. I'm going to keep this on for 1 to 2 hours, probably around 2 hours, because I quite like a darker look for my hair. So stay tuned to find out the end result. Hopefully my hair doesn't go green, but if it does, at least you've watched this video before you try it out. Okay, so I'm just about to take the henna off of my hair. So legit guys, my hair feels like I have dreadlocks. It is rock hard. So I'm just out the shower. I shampooed and conditioned my hair with Faith in Nature. Any shampoo and conditioner will do. Just make sure that you shampoo it really well, because some of the henna gets stuck in parts of your hair. I would say that it's left a sort of browner colour than before, but I would probably leave it on for a little bit longer next time. Because my hair is so long and thick, I think it would need a good 3 to 4 hours to show darker results. If you want a natural way to colour your hair without all the chemicals in normal hair dyes, this is the answer.